the old age when we met you, that as long as the central government of ZANU-PF is there, you will never have a clean water or a good city like Harare. I want you to understand me very well. That I thank you, Boba. Young man, what's your name?
Jacob Mafume.
Mafume, I thank you very much because these young people have been working tirelessly, as far as I know. Why should you blame? You not blame my councillors when we blame when they have got Minister of Home Affairs. Say it in the Minister of Local Government and Housing. They don't touch him. They were busy working to expel or detain or suspend all the councillors.
Yes, Dara. Yes, Dara. Yes, Dara. Yes.
We are not very ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
ZANU-PF has been in power for the past 38 years.
Yes.
What are they going to do when they have trampled this money for the past 40 years?
Yes.
What other new are we going to have?
Yes.
Do you think Mnangagwa is 70? He's younger than me a little bit, but do you think he's going to change anything? Don't be bluffed by these vultures. No, no.
Yes, Dara. Yes, Dara.
Mr. Moyo, Mr. Mdilo, thank you very much for the meeting, but it was rather too late. Because we wanted to foster certain issues to other people who are dominant, people who are trying to capitulate. You see, I'm glad these young people have said, to be a graduate does not mean a thing if you don't know what is happening in the city council. Because just look, how many names do we have in water? How many names do we have in ZESA, Electricity Supply Authority? Smith, I want one Electricity Supply Authority. Do you here was the water department, Minister of Water. Yes, you know how many 10 names, so that he becomes an executive member. We always executive. Vachikumba Mari Chitorwa. City Council is Sina Kana Maria Chawana. Chomba kabisa 4.5 million. Akaja right over Chikambena. Did they refund that man? Did they reinvest that man?
No.
Nothing came forth. Yes, you know what is 50% half. You know what? Do you know it? Yeah. It has happened. Maria just said to reinvest none. All what they want is to weaken the other party. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, that I've done a lot of talking. The idea is Mubunzo, but in the nation,
Yes, Dara.
I can't go. I can't put it at my age. We don't want to repeat this. It's not because we don't want that. No. We want no,